Hey everybody, it's Mr. Buro from Staten Island Tech, and today I'm going to be doing a demo on using short walls to create the appearance of a kitchen island or a soffit, or it can be used for decks or a number of other things where you need a vertical barrier that would be in the shape of a wall, but not necessarily be perceived as a wall because it's not the full height of the level. But you do use walls, again, to create kitchen islands or a soffit in a bathroom or kitchen or a number of other things. You should be creative with this type of thing, and this is why I'm showing it to you. It's usually not necessary, but certainly something that you do see in the real world, which means you can reproduce it in Revit. What you're looking at right now is a demo house that I have been using. We're going to focus on the kitchen here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and delete the table and chairs that are here. And I'm going to replace that with a kitchen island, like I was saying before. Let me go to the 2D view of that level. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this type of wall right here. I'm going to create similar. And normally it's going to be base constrained at level 1 and going up to level 2. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Just going to eyeball the size. Make it in the shape of a rectangle. I'm going to select it and then use the keyboard to place it a little bit better. That looks about right. And then let's take a look in 3D. You can see it does go all the way to the top, but I'm going to now change the top offset to be something much, much, much larger because I don't want the walls to go to the ceiling. The current top of the level is 10 feet. I'm going to change the top offset of those short walls to be negative 7 foot 2 inches, so they have an overall height of 2 foot 10 inches from the floor. Negative 7 feet 2 inches. You can see that it looks pretty good. And next, I'm going to take a countertop. So I'm going to go to Component and see what countertops I have loaded. All the countertops that I've loaded have a lip. So let's go to Load Family. And we're going to go to Casework and Countertops. And I would like an island countertop. I'll hit Open. And I will place it down. I'm going to go into the black and white level to click it and then resize it, because it definitely does not need to be that large. And have it hang over a little bit. And again, I get to eyeball this, it's fine. And let's go to Edit Type and see the height of this thing is currently 3 feet and it has a thickness of 1.5 inches. So maybe since I have it at 2 foot 10, I need to take it down 1/2 inch or just change the countertop thickness to 2 inches. I could do that. Let's see what that looks like in 3D. Probably needs a little adjustment. Nope, so far so good. So let's go to the regular 3D view again with no ceilings, and I will create a section box. And bring this inward to here. And then I'll look at it from that side. And it looks perfect. The countertop is sitting perfectly on top of these short walls. And I can, if I wanted to, I can go ahead and paint those walls also. I don't know if the paint tool is ready for such things. Let's see if I can find that cyan paint. Yeah, there it is. And there we have it. We have our kitchen island, which is ready for some chairs. Next, let's go to level 1 again. And I'm going to do another similar type thing. This time, I'm going to put another short wall. And this is going to look a little awkward at first. I'm going to go here, right above the cabinets. You slide that into place. Let me take this door and slide it over a little bit. And create the wall again. From here. Again, I got to slide that into place. You can see the outline of the cabinet there. And I will have them join here, but then also create similar wall and set a fillet between this wall and this wall to fit that area. That looks good to me. Let's take a look at it in 3D. There we go. So it seems to be aligned perfectly, but I'm going to now have to adjust its height. This time, what I think I'll do first is I'm actually going to estimate it with this lift. So that is a base offset this time, not a top offset, but a base offset of about 7 feet 2 inches. So let me clean that up to 2 inches. And that appears to be fine. So I'll go ahead and adjust it for these as well. This is a base offset again because we're lifting it from the bottom upward. Take a look. It does actually work just fine. Next, I'm going to go ahead and apply that paint again. Didn't need to do the tops, but that's okay. And then the only thing I'd have to do is I'd have to go in my ceiling plan and put a ceiling in there, a special ceiling. If I go to architecture and I'm going to place a ceiling in that particular area, and then when I look at it in 3D, that particular ceiling, which is currently at 8 feet, I'm going to have to drop down to 7 feet 2 inches. It should do it. So let's take a look at it in 3D again. No, actually, let's take a look at it in Enscape. So here's Enscape. And as I enter this particular area, kitchen island does look appropriate. It's a good height. This is right now, this is standing height. And the soffit also is looking pretty good. The only thing I probably would do to change it is paint the bottom of the wall and also the ceiling that particular color. The same cyan. Looks a little bit different right now. I don't know why that is. But let's check it out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to level 1 and I'm going to set up a camera so I can see that particular area like that. Let's go to the realistic view. That is not the paint I was looking for. There we are. That's better. So there you have it. We have a soffit now in the kitchen with a matching ceiling, and the wall of the soffit matches the wall of the kitchen as well. Probably would not select white cabinets in this case, but I'm pretty sure you get the idea. I have created a very, very seamless soffit that connects, as you can see, to the ceiling and the adjacent walls perfectly, as well as this kitchen island, which I can now see still has the wrong tiles associated with it. It shouldn't be this porcelain tile. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and change that as well to the blue from our wall paint. There it is. And you can go ahead and see that that has been updated. Thank you very much.